Good day everyone, my name is Sixta Tikbe and I'm going to present to you my course project in Purposive Communication 1, which is the communication across cultures. The overview of the communication processes, principles, and ethics. The communication process. The communication process involves several key components. Number one is the sender, the individual or entity initiating the communication. Number two is the message, the information, idea, or feeling being communicated. Then the channel, the medium through which the message is transmitted. Example is the speech, writings, and emails. The receiver, the individual or entity receiving the message. And the last one is the feedback, the receiver's response to the message indicating understanding or lack. Principle of effective communication. Clarity. The message should be clear, concise, and easy to understand. Active listening. Pay close attention to what others are saying and demonstrate understanding. Feedback. The receiver has understood the meaning of the message. Informality. Mixing formal and informal communications can yield better outcomes. Consistency. Consistent communication contributes to the reputation of both sender and receiver and strengthens a relationship. Timeliness. Communicate at the appropriate time. Adequacy. A complete message can help recipients understand it. Conciseness. Avoid unnecessary jargons or wordiness. Completeness. Ensure the message provides all necessary information. Ethics. Communication ethics focuses on the moral principles that guide how individuals and groups interact and share information. It emphasizes the importance of honesty, respect, and responsibility in all forms of communication, whether spoken, written, or digital. Ethical communication fosters trust, avoids misunderstandings, and strengthens relationships. Let's proceed to the analysis of globalization's impact on communication. Globalization has dramatically impacted communication by fostering interconnectedness and accelerating information exchange on global scale. This is primarily driven by technological advancements like the internet and mobile technology, enabling instant global communication and collaboration. However, it also presents challenges related to cultural sensitivity, language barriers, and the potential for cultural homogenization. Navigating these complexities require a nuanced understanding of global communication dynamics and commitment to cultural sensitivity and inclusivity. The positive impacts of globalization on communication. Number one is the increased connectivity and speed. Globalization has broken down geographical barriers, allowing for instant communication across vast distances through platforms like email, video conferencing, and social media. Enhanced business opportunities. Businesses can now easily connect with customers and partners worldwide, facilitating international trade and collaboration. This includes virtual meetings, online transactions, and access to global markets. Cultural exchange and understanding. Globalization has exposed individuals to diverse cultures through media, travel, and online transactions, fostering greater understanding and awareness of different perspectives. Spread of information and knowledge. Access to information from around the globe has become easier, promoting the promoting the sharing of knowledge and ideas across borders. The negative impacts of globalization on communication. Cultural homogenization. The dominance of certain language like English and cultural trends can lead to the marginalization of smaller language and cultures, potentially eroding cultural diversity. Language barriers. While English has become a global lingua franca, language differences can still pose challenges for effective communication in various contexts. Miscommunication and misunderstandings. Differences in communication styles, body language, and cultural norms can lead to misinterpretations and misunderstandings in cross-cultural interactions. Digital divide. Unequal access to technology and the internet can exacerbate existing inequalities, creating a digital divide between those who can participate fully in global communication and those who cannot. Impact on local cultures. Globalization can lead to the erosion of local traditions and customs as globalized culture and consumerism become more prevalent. Evaluation of messages or images from diverse cultural texts, highlighting ethical considerations and cultural nuances. Evaluating messages. The importance of evaluating the effectiveness of messages is by developing and using strategic questions to identify strengths and weaknesses. Evaluating images. It is important to critically evaluate images used for research, study, and presentation. Images should be evaluated like any other source, such as journal, articles, or books, to determine their quality, reliability, and appropriateness. Visual analysis is an important step in evaluating an image and understanding its meaning. Ethical considerations and cultural nuances. Ethical considerations in research involve adhering to principles that protect participants and ensure the integrity of the research process. Key ethical considerations: informed consent, ensuring participants understand the research, its purpose, potential risks and benefits, and the right to withdraw without penalty. Confidentiality and anonymity, protecting participants' privacy by keeping their identities and data confidential, and potentially anonymizing data where possible. Minimizing harm, avoiding physical, psychological, social, or leg harm to participants. Respect for persons, recognizing the autonomy and dignity of all participants. Beneficence, ensuring the research has a positive impact and maximize benefits while minimizing risk. Justice, ensuring equitable distributions of research benefit and burdens. Honesty and integrity, conducting research with transparency, accuracy, and avoiding plagiarism or fabrication. Cultural nuances. Cultural competence: researchers must be aware of their own cultural biases and strive to understand the cultural context of the research participants. Respect for cultural practices: researchers need to be sensitive to cultural norms regarding communications, social interactions, and decision-making processes. Language barriers: ensuring effective communication with participants through translation and interpretation services is crucial. Power dynamics: researchers should be aware of potential power imbalances between themselves and participants, particularly in cross-cultural research. Community engagement: involving community members in the research process can help ensure cultural sensitivity and relevance. Appropriate research methods: selecting research methods that are culturally appropriate and avoid imposing Western-centric approaches. The importance of ethical communication and cultural sensitivity in local and global contexts. In the context of ethical communication, a reflection is necessary role for humans. Ethics is a subjective term that cultures and races determine for themselves. A reflection of ethical communication serves to emphasize the multifaceted nature of communication. Reflecting on local and global communication in multicultural settings involve understanding the complexities and dynamics that arises when individuals from diverse cultural interact.